back to my YouTube channel. So today is a new video. I'm giving you guys a vlog of me in Ghana. As you guys should know by now, I'm living here, so I've been here for about 5 months. I will be leaving soon. This is like a typical week in the life when I get up to some stuff. I went to the gym in the afternoon. Now I'm ready to go out for dinner. It's about 5 p.m, so it's an early dinner. I'm not sure where we're going to. I think we're going to Kozo. But if we don't go to Kozo, I'll show you guys around where we end up going and like the food and stuff. And then tomorrow I'm going out to an event. I haven't been out in ages, guys, but I will take you guys with me.
Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a see, but the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body, chocolate, push it.
Yesterday, as you guys saw, we went out for dinner. Today I'm going to Garage. There's an all-white party. I'm running late. It should be really good. I haven't been out in a while. And yesterday we went out to eat. Food was actually quite nice. I wasn't sure what to expect. It was like a French restaurant. It was nice. They didn't really want me to record in there, so I only got certain bits for you guys. I'm deciding not to brush up my curls because I know the humidity is gonna do its own thing. And yeah, I just feel like I'm rushing, literally. But I will take you guys with me. Good morning, guys. Firstly, I've got a bit of a cold. I slept with the AC on the other day and now I'm getting a cold, which is so annoying. Yeah, I hope it doesn't sound too bad. This morning we've got something really exciting to do. One of the guys from the gym has like an NGO and it's called Let Love Lead, and he does an annual sanitation drive. Since being here, I haven't actually done any charity work or anything like that. I was telling him like a few months ago I really want to get involved, whether it's to do with kids, the city itself, learning, just helping it in any way I can. I'm not too sure exactly what to expect. I think we're cleaning the roads, could be cleaners that are cleaning the roads, but we're all going to see together basically. I'm going to show you guys. So we all have t-shirts. There's yellow, there was white, there was blue, and yeah, it just says Let Love Lead. Then the same thing at the back as well. It's already so hot, so I'm going to take my little fan. It started at 6 a.m, but we're meant to meet at 6 and it's past 6 right now. So I'm just waiting for my cab to come and then we can head to Palace Mall and be on our way. If you also know of any other charities that need volunteers or anything like that, please do let me know. And yeah, guys, I will take you with me.
Love lead. Let's love lead. So actually it's not coming. Let's love lead. Let's love lead. Let's love lead. Let's love lead. Aho! 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 We are good to go. We are good to go. More of you, man.
Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the chop or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain.
This Charlotte competing for Ghana's strongest 2024.
Yeah.
It's watch out this year, and I'm going to take the crown.
Yes. Woo! What are we doing today?
So today we are cleaning our environment, and you see, as it's raining season, the way the environment is dirty, we want to clean our environment so that we'll have a good environment in this area.
Yes.
So as you are seeing us, if you are in your house and your environment is dirty, take a broom.
The camera woman is not doing enough.
Hi guys, it's literally so hot today. As you guys saw, the other day we had a charity event. I went to the sanitation, cleaning the roads and stuff. So that was such a good experience. Today we are off to go look for an apartment. A lot of you guys have like messaged me on Instagram or even in the comments saying, where am I staying? Am I staying with family? Do you rent? All that kind of stuff. But as you know, I'm leaving Ghana soon. I wanted the experience of living by myself as well, just to see if I would like it. Today we're gonna go and look at an apartment. It's in East Legon. I'm gonna take you guys with me.
An easy thing to do at this point in time, simply
The amount of traffic from my side to East Legon is crazy. They're doing like a flyover though, so hopefully sooner or later that will be done. I'm gonna be there in about, it says 22 minutes on the map, but I feel like I'm gonna be there in about 30 minutes, maybe even 40 minutes, but yeah. Literally can't figure out what days the traffic isn't that bad. Now no, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, if you're trying to get to East Legon, the traffic is crazy. Like I've literally been in the car for a while now. We're moving slowly but surely. My friend is waiting for me at Bower. So we finally got to the apartments. They looked really good from the outside. It had some houses by the apartments too. We went in, they had 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom. But we were looking at the 1-beds. And this place was such a nice area and the price was really affordable. So I think I already mentioned that this apartment was in East Legon. I found out about this apartment through word of mouth. One of my friends from London recommended it. It is actually really nice. The agent was really nice as well. However, it was quite small, so I wasn't too sure. And it was quite basic as well. There wasn't much going on. It didn't really feel homely. And they do short-term and long-term stays. And I also loved the location. Guys, we are now in the apartment. It's actually really cute, actually quite affordable, so it's not giving like what you see on booking.com where it's like £2,000, £3,000. It's a 1-bedroom and everything's included apart from electricity if you stay long stay. So yeah, it's definitely a good option. So a few days later I went to a Mexican restaurant with my cousin. I had never been here before and it was in Cantonments. The vibes were really cool and the food was good too. So a couple of days later we went to a restaurant called Bondi. Bondi is located in Osu. We've been here a few times, but we came for a chilled evening. We had shisha, cocktails and some sushi. And then the next day we were back onto some apartment hunting. So hello guys, today I'm going apartment hunting in Ghana. A lot of you guys asked me, have I got an apartment, where am I staying, how am I finding renting and stuff. I'm leaving Ghana in about a month. So I thought to myself, let me just at least have like a month's experience of renting and see how that goes. I'll take you guys along with me. So today's day 2 of our hunt. I didn't really love this accommodation. It kind of reminded me of a Uniacom, which I didn't love. I think it was very grey. There wasn't enough light coming in. I wanted to feel like I was in Ghana. But I think this one was the studio, and we also saw a 1-bedroom apartment. You also would have access to a lovely rooftop pool, which was quite nice. In the 1-bedroom apartment. It was way better than the studio. The studio for me was a no. The 1-bedroom isn't as bad, there's a lot more space. It's just that it's really dark. Maybe because of the time of day, I don't know. And then the blinds are like, I don't know. This one's not too bad, but this is the first apartment that we've seen so far. And it's in East Legon. So guys, this is apartment number 2. We are still in East Legon. I believe they have studios in here and 1-beds as well. The studio is currently not available, so we couldn't look at that one, but I'm going to show you guys the 1-bed.
Just for the record. If they time, I'll be for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God. Make them they talk up. I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, lubedu. There go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see waiting you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu.
Hi guys, so today's the day. Yesterday we looked at some apartments, we went to East Labone, we looked at about 3 different properties. This week or these last 2 weeks has been a lot for me. Just decided, will I stay in Ghana for a bit longer, will I go back to London and then come back to Ghana later on. Today I've woken up feeling not too great if I'm honest. Look at my lashes even. Anyway, so I booked a massage. I'm going to, I think it's called Niobe Spa, and it was actually quite affordable. I've only actually went to the spa at Kempinski and Movenpick Hotel. This is like a smaller spa, but it's like a chain. So yeah, I will show you guys how it goes. I know in a lot of my vlogs I'm showing the exciting times, the restaurants, the events, all of those kind of things, but there has been like a few down moments as well with recent, just trying to like figure out everything in general. But yeah, see you guys. So guys, I'm now at the spa. I got a deep tissue massage. The prices are really affordable, so it was about 300 cedis for 1 hour, which was great. And then I also realized they did pedicures, manicures. After the massage, I had another viewing appointment. I looked at 2 studio apartments. This bathroom is honestly the biggest bathroom I think I've ever seen. It was huge, literally. And the rooms are actually very big as well. But I wasn't sure if this is something I would go for. And the prices were just about okay. If you are looking for any apartments, please do reach out to me and I can help you also find your own one. This apartment was located not too far from the airport. I couldn't believe how big it was for a studio. A lot of the studios that I'd seen in Cantonments and Labone were a lot smaller, but this was honestly huge. The agent showed us 2 different apartments. They were roughly the same in price, but different layouts. So after a long evening of apartment searching, we went out for some dinner. We went to a place called Polo Club Restaurant and Lounge. I love this restaurant so much. The ambiance is so nice. The customer service is great. The food is even better. I love their mini burgers. The cocktails are also really good. So I'll definitely recommend you guys checking out this restaurant. The next day we were back on our apartment search. We checked out a few properties in Labone and cantonments. This apartment is actually very expensive. As you guys can see, it's so nice, it's modern. It's a lovely 1 bedroom.
It's only actually for a month, so I'm thinking, do we just firm it and just, you know, live in luxury for the last month, or what do we do? But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the bedroom now as well.
So as you know, we did this apartment viewing in the evening, but this was the amazing communal rooftop pool. It was so nice. It was such a big area. It had a bar as well. Everybody that lives here would have access to this pool area. So after viewing over 5 properties in Accra in East Legon, Labone, Cantonments, Osu, I finally found the perfect apartment for my stay. I was so excited. If you want to see what apartment I went with, please make sure you're subscribed and make sure you watch my next video. And if you need any help finding your apartment, speaking to an agent, needing a referral, please make sure you email me or comment down below. If you've got any other questions, please make sure you reach out.
Thank you guys so much for coming to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you have, please be sure to like this video, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in my next video.